Jimmy, the house is on fire!
Wanna go get a pizza?
Yeah!
Gunner, let's go get something to eat.
Why?
Gunner, come on, the episode needs a plot.
Fine.
Gunner, aliens, turn the fridge into another dimension.
What do they want?
We want that.
Wait, what?
You'll have to fight us for it.
Yeah. Wait, we don't know how to fight aliens.
It'll be easy, they're unarmed. Oh. Run.
Oh!
How do you defeat aliens?
With cake!
Hi, one cake. Don't eat it! Okay, what else? No guessing.
Gah! Thinking hurts! Cheese! Glad that's over. Son of a... Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and don't miss the next one, Vacation Gone Wrong, coming in September.